I think the obia ministry can one semi no. O bono tofa de amaya. Obia oni ministry na ye kan one semi. 87. Abeya de hu hia so se kan di hu komo na man penihwe to one amom. What is the ministry? Adwuma ekoso wo ho for us to understand the defense ministry.
Say o share your constitution na. Ghana ya share so your borders. Say your protection, security so far as our borders are concerned, a war under the Ministry of Defense. Some ministry any sebe we say amane we say security your friend is saying sectors in the world globally a war working relationship a brand new Dombiano 87.9 Kumasi. And what you know, Sawasha, president, no constitution to me allow president and say, Sebi Bikra a war internally. And be a ye police, a Jumana so muntiminya, ye timide defense, ebebo, and Sawasha, defense, a war many sectors helping locally. Now say as Obesha, Omode soldiers bar, a betcha. Asante Deputy Defense Minister.
Yeah.
Say Kumasi Road, omo pese omo use soldiers to start the construction of the Kumasi Road. Enti enyuma bebre wo ho a soldier for no sebe omo ye. Now you see, say ebia ye kan say ya obekfu say eye tra. Enne se wo busa the expert ewo sebe ye sub region ha. Omo be catch say mentime ho ase etu otwetwe ye way in terms of the armed groupings terrorists omo ye no ma ya. And the baby a bebre no any trepano. And towards the south, they are looking for coastal countries. Osha manya try ye hu nyina hia amani nyina sabe. They've tested that bitter pill. Ghana pe. A chese bibi koso. Enipakuo bi ye adwuma. You see, say antna say can say ufu say bibi kitwa bi. But say a Syria bibia we've been able to achieve as a country, we will lose everything. We will lose everything into your besa koyechi bebre. Enti omo adwuma no eyade a esombo bambo adwuma kese pa because omo no entimi am protect yen from foreign attacks. Bibia oman sebe edi ebe koyechi a even internally adwuma no becomes difficult.